This is how to build a house in Minecraft. First, check your surrounding. Make sure you're safe so we can run up the checks. After that, check out the fit. With them fresh shoes boy got em at Walmart. Looking like your granny getting ready for date night with daddy. Shop chop candy paint red pearls big time checks type shit. Step 1. You need some wood big dog like we gotta hit up Home Depot after the Walmart for some lumber. You gonna sock this tree for climate change and get some wood real quick, you know what I'm saying, big dog. Beat it up like it owes you some money, this is the only way. You're the one making me do this, and it hurts me more than it hurts you. We were close, and now I'm beating you, this isn't healthy for either of us. Get the wood to make a house. 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 Now hit E and craft a crafting table like a real man. A real man has a crafting table. A crafting table to do real man shit, this is the way. This is the way to their hearts. Step 2. Get some planks and some sticks. We will need the sticks later as I have a mission in GTA I need you to do real quick. A real fast mission and you'll get some respect points from it. My guy, we are going big time. Now you're gonna run around a bit and see how to make a house, it's all in the timing. You see, running around is critical to the house building process. Without you might as well just stop all talk there. See, I knew a guy who quit halfway through and didn't get to see the ending to Shutter Island. You gotta wait things out, you feel me? Gee, it's all in the building. Now I'm gonna fill in these holes like your grandpa did and see if anything good happens. Building a house takes time. Without time there is no future. It takes time to build a wall, so time is important in the house building of a house built. See, you start with the foundation, and a good foundation is the foundation to the fundamentals of house building. See, I knew a guy who didn't have foundation, and no, he's dead. Time and foundation is number uno in house building. If you want to build a house, 2 bricks must be lay upon a pile of trash in order for a good foundation to be founded. See, if Bill Clinton quit halfway through, he wouldn't be where he is today, so stay pushing. Step 3. Foundation is what we are building first, then we'll pass Bill and become John Daly. I will pick these flowers some other time. For now, foundation is what our founders would want, so that's what I'm doing. A good house is homey, sweet, and has a stepdad beating you vibe. Some days foundation is all we have, so lay a bricked up foundation for a proper build. Get the wood to build the house. 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 Now make an axe. See, the axe was made in 500 BC when a couple of motherfucker tried to steal something, and my man's Penny had them shook, had them running for Daisy. See, Penny was him. You that man's is fire with the axe. I'm telling you, but you wouldn't understand. Hello, governor, can I have tea and bread, sir? Please, sir, I just want some more. The house build is coming up. I don't know how to cut this out, but did you know that I know that this one guy knew that this girl knows who did the inside job? This is the way, and I got 50 bands from the last trip. I'm lying, I am broke like your mama. Now we bout to start this build. You see, start with the corners main like yo girl does. We gonna get this trap house full going in 24 hours. I know a guy who knows a guy about foundation. This will take about 3 hours. After the foundation is founder, ask and ponder, what would Bill do? Then ask yourself if that's okay. If the answer is no, I got a hot pocket for you. We are getting the foundation built for a big beautiful home, and I'm thrilled to just be here. But if you don't hit like and subscribe, I'm burning this house down. 2 ashes, now let me get back to building. Oh shit, this is a how-to. Okay, now we are going to lay some wood and do some game stuff. I think this is a game ick. See, I'm running from my fears, but running is not the problem solver. Go out there and punch a tree. Punch it so hard God himself comes down and plants another one. Run boy run. 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 Tee hee hee, I forgot the T is on, I guess I'll have to get struck in the sink, tee hee hee hee. See, this shit right here makes me mad. Why is it every time a new song come out bitches be like, oh this is so good. You make me mad, stop it. Just stop it. So now we gettin' wood, that good wood. Real good wood makes you look good. Real good wood. We need the wood for the foundation, then we can do other things that gamers do. See, this is the shit I don't like, but deal with a cheese ball Fruit Loop. Gotta try better than that. See now, main, we are gonna build a brick wall, brick back being bull. See main, I am gonna teach you how to build this motherfucker. Gotta get this in running order so we can get out the hood. See, the key to success is building a good foundation. Everything crumbles without a good foundation, and we not letting that happen. See, when I was a kid I had a goal, build houses. Now I am doing that. Tee we how now show them what we do. Tee we how now show them what we do. See, Penny was him, and now we building houses. Comment for Penny, he was that guy, you feel me? I'm on one jit. See, building is a skill, a lesson in one's own ability, and to build is to mine, and to mine is Minecraft. It's good, dude. See, I am getting to the good shit. The stuff motherfuckers wish they knew. This right here is knowledge, and that's free, but we up and they down. See, you get the wood, then you get the power, then you get the women. It's all right there for you. Motherfucker, can you read? I am him. This house build finna be wild. I am him. This house build finna be wild. See, there I was, and this motherfucker comes up talking about some BS. Ayo, main, let me do my thing, G. Main, this is a Burger King, let me do my thing. Main, let me see the menu, and play Minecraft, you're pissing me off. You never seen this. This is a once in a lifetime. I'm making a crazy house with at least one bed. You see the skills, need I say more? This that new, that sheet that got M in a headlock. I am Hulk Hogan with the builds, you can't see me. This that new, that sheet that got M in a headlock. I am Hulk Hogan with the builds, you can't see me. See, now you want to get wood. What is important for the foundation? If you wait, you'll see a master at work. I take my time and make everything perfect. See, in life there's no shortcuts, just pain. We on one. 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 This had me shook be. I am in bed, and hear a knock. Who is it? The motherfucker mailman. I'm like, shit, come on in Fruit Loop, bang a Red Bull. We bang a Red Bull and he cool as shit. That's my guy, now we homies. See, I am putting this like this because this is how this should be done. This and that mixed with this, got me his. Don't mess it up, you got one shot. Now life is like a bag of nuts. You never know what you will get. Bill taught me that. See, make sure the measurements are good, and get in there. See, I like foundation. Foundation is the fundamental of a good home. See, unlike roofs, I too like goofs. See, I know it's hard, but the foundation isn't built yet. Make a nice window. Bitches love windows. See, a good window is like a good life. It's built with the foundation. See, I lay the wood to make a home. Without wood I am nothing, therefore I need the wood. That's why foundation is key. Without a father, a home has no foundation. See, trash is like gold. Anybody can find it, but a cook never salts a patty. Leave an open area for a window. See, a window is like the soul, eyes to the face. But with a good stove, a cook can solve anything. See, it's a big home, with lots of homey vibes. See, the way to a home is with good foundation. Without it, you will crumble. Until next time, enjoy the rest of the video. This is a homey home. Like and comment for homey home. If you are still watching, hi, how is your life? Get a lot of money, then you get a good life. Okay, bye now.